wow, I just finished doing this order, and I did not believe that I just got a $30 tip from the customer. Holy cow. Thank you so much to the customer that gave me $30. That's my highest tip I've ever received. I didn't expect that at all. I thought majority of it was coming from DoorDash. And other than that, it's really appreciative. I thank you so much. I mean, it was third floor again. Third floor, like almost the end of the hallway. I had to take multiple trips because I have multiple bags and waters as well, and toilet paper and stuff. Multiple trips I had to carry back and forth and do multiple trips at multiple times. But wow, I didn't expect that at all. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. That's all I can say. I'm just lost for words. Thank you so much. Once you order, all we got to do is grab a gallon of milk. Easy peasy. Let's go. Got the milk. It's here. Let's go. Got this other order here. Looks like we got some bread, some meat, some milk, some cheese, soups, tuna, keep going, some drinks, chips, cat litter. Pretty simple. $36 is supposed to pay. All right, so we got all the items, as you can see, but we ran into a little bit of a problem. The last one was the cat litter, and they only have this particular one in the 35 pounds. There's no 20 pounds as requested, no 8 pound or whatever. And so it's not allowing me to add it. So I have to contact support and see what they say. That's kind of the downfall of doing the shopping orders. They have to, they don't make it easy to add or substitute items if you don't find the exact item. But it is what it is. All right, we got a burrito bowl, chips and quesos. All right, we got a shopping order to do. Let's go get some items. Always sanitize. Strawberries, chocolate chip ice cream, and flaming hot Cheetos. Of course, it's what's it doing? Raining again and windy. Look, you see the tree branches are falling. It's really windy today. Of course, every day April showers bring May flowers. Apparently, hey, happy April 1st, everyone. Let's go. The drop off. It's always the 4th or 5th floor. Never the 1st. Try to show elevators. Why don't we put like M? Why don't we put like main lobby or main room or something besides the M? Why? There's so much room. Why can't you just put what you need to put? Look, now we're lost. See? That one, I thought it was the main level, but it took me to, I think, to the garage, I think. I need to be out here. You need a 32 ounce hazelnut. 15. No 32 ounce, huh? Ay. Order, we got some Lifesavers, mints, and some hazelnut coffee mates. Let's go. That's on chicken croissants for $2.74. $2.74 now for a chicken croissant. Croissant, chicken salad, overhead Sam's Club. I was gonna get a hot dog, but this looks healthier for you, so might get that. Salads are $6. We got a sushi roll for $7.84. We got other salads for $3.75. But we'll go stick with this for now. Try it out. So I'm gonna try this out for lunch. Chicken salad, lettuce, croissant. A little broken apparently, but $2.74 can't beat that. Not bad for a healthy sandwich. Another crazy windy day. Ay. Restaurant pickup at Perkins. A dessert pancake, I believe. A double order. Couldn't with that pancakes. We gotta buy some Walgreens order. Get some Walgreens items. Only 3 items. Double order, paying $17. Cool. Alright, so we got some. Alright, we got some Mute Connects, day and night. Some vapor shower. Never seen these before. Shower tablets. Not sure how that works, but soothing vapor. Place on the shower floor, diffuse into the shower steam, dissolve cleanly. Wow. And then some sore throat cough drops. Person obviously sick. Oh no, definitely gotta sanitize my hands after this. Ay, ay, ay. And I have to check their ID because they have to be 18. Ay, ay, ay. So we got a ice cream order, Ben & Jerry's Dirt Cake Ice Cream, Chloe's Fruit Strawberry Pops, paying $8.50. All right, let's go. Back at it, another CVS order. We got some diapers, 5T. We got some makeup, number 5. Some Airheads, and some Starburst drinks. Okay, $17.50. Let's go. All right, bag secured. Pay $17.50. Maybe $11.50. Let's go. Food to a worker. It's always nice to help out the workers to get different food and lunches. All right, that concludes today's video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Every day it's really tough to grind, hustle, and then record, edit, post, and all that. So I got to get used to the schedule, but I'm getting used to it. We're still staying focused on our goals, on our YouTube goals, and also trying to save $1,000 every week and try to reach that $20,000 goal. I really appreciate you guys watching along my journey and all the motivation you guys are giving me. Comment down below and hit the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you for watching so much. Talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.